These are the 5 characteristics of pterosaur dinosaur, according to other experts. I hope you can learn from these informations. But first, I'm inviting you to like this video and subscribe to this channel as a support. 1. Wing membranes made of skin. As the pterosaur stretched its wings, the skin membrane that connected its body to its long, slender fingers began to tighten. This delicate, yet incredibly strong membrane, called the patagium, was the key to the pterosaur's incredible ability to fly. Made of a thin layer of skin and other tissues, the patagium was flexible enough to stretch and deform as the pterosaur moved its wings, yet strong enough to withstand the stresses of flight. As the pterosaur flapped its wings, the patagium would billow outward, creating a curved surface that produced lift. The shape of the patagium was crucial to the pterosaur's flight, and it was precisely controlled by the movement of the pterosaur's fingers and arms. As the pterosaur soared through the air, its patagium would ripple and flex, adjusting its shape to optimize lift and thrust. It was an incredible feat of evolutionary engineering, and one that allowed the pterosaurs to dominate the skies of the ancient world. 2. Hollow bones. As the pterosaur took to the skies, its skeleton played a crucial role in its ability to fly. One of the key adaptations that made flight possible was the pterosaur's hollow bones. Imagine a delicate latticework structure that provided strength and support without weighing the pterosaur down. That's exactly what the hollow bones of the pterosaur were like. By having hollow bones, the pterosaur was able to reduce its overall weight, making it easier to generate the lift and thrust needed to stay aloft. The hollow bones of the pterosaur were a critical component of its flight capabilities. By replacing the dense, heavy bone tissue found in other animals with a lighter, more airy structure, the pterosaur was able to achieve a level of buoyancy that would have been impossible otherwise. This, combined with the pterosaur's powerful muscles and efficient respiratory system, allowed it to soar through the skies with incredible agility and precision. The hollow bones of the pterosaur were a key part of its flight machinery. 3. Specialized teeth. The pterosaur's teeth were highly specialized, reflecting their fish-eating lifestyle. The teeth were long, slender, and pointed, with a curved inward shape that formed a sharp, hook-like structure. This unique morphology allowed the pterosaur to efficiently catch and hold onto fish, whether it was snatching them from the surface of the water or diving down to catch them in the depths. The pterosaur's dental specialization varied among species, with some having teeth suited for eating crustaceans, insects, and small animals. These teeth were often broader and more flat, with a rough, serrated edge that allowed them to crush and grind their food. The diversity of pterosaur dental morphology reflects the wide range of ecological niches that these animals occupied during the Mesozoic era. 4. Large eyes. The pterosaur's eyes were truly one of its most striking features. Large and expressive, they seemed to take in every detail of the world around them. In fact, many scientists believe that the pterosaur had eyes that were proportionally larger than those of any other vertebrate. This would have given them incredible visual acuity, allowing them to spot prey from great distances or navigate through the complex landscape of the ancient world. But the pterosaur's large eyes were not just useful for seeing, they also played a critical role in its behavior and ecology. Many scientists believe that pterosaurs were crepuscular animals, meaning that they were most active at dawn and dusk. This would have required them to have excellent low-light vision, which their large eyes would have provided. Additionally, the pterosaur's eyes may have been sensitive to movement, allowing them to detect the slightest movements of their prey. 5. Specialized hands. The pterosaur's hands were a marvel of evolutionary engineering. These were not just ordinary hands, but highly specialized appendages that played a critical role in the pterosaur's ability to fly and interact with its environment. The fingers were long and slender, with curved claws that were perfectly suited for grasping and perching. Whether the pterosaur was landing on a branch, grasping a rock face, or even walking on the ground, its hands provided the precision and control it needed. But the pterosaur's hands were also intimately connected with its wings. In fact, the wing membrane was supported by the pterosaur's fourth finger, which was greatly elongated to form a rigid strut. This unique arrangement allowed the pterosaur to control the shape and tension of its wing membrane, making it possible to fly with incredible agility and precision. Whether it was soaring through the skies, diving down to catch prey, or navigating through tight spaces, the pterosaur's specialized hands played a vital role in its success.